Hey, good morning again. Ben here with you for Studio on the Lake. It's going to be a spirit birdhouse, attention deficit disorder version. For those of you with ADD, I've noticed that some of you are not spending a whole lot of time and skipping around the videos viewing, so this is for you. It's a new series. Look in the ADD section of Studio on the Lake channel. Get yourself some old wood, barn wood that's laid around. This laid around for a little while. Build a pattern, cut the chunks out, make everything fit. This won't take too much of your time. Measure it, put it together, screw it together, cut a big hole in the middle of it. Use a Forstner bit. Save you some time, since those people watching this version don't have time to watch a video. Get yourself a marker. Quickly draw on some little parts and pieces where you think things ought to go. Don't spend a whole lot of time. Remember, you ADD people don't have time to waste doing this. Or, I guess maybe more appropriately, focus. No need to focus here. Just cut away everything that doesn't look like a face. Then, since you can't stand very long in one place, go ahead and take the top off. Take it over to your favorite chair. Sit down. This is the rest part. So you're resting, recharging. You only need to stay focused for, about another minute here to finish up your birdhouse. And remember, you can do it just like I do it here, even if you do have ADD. So there you have it. Pretty close. Brush it off a little bit. Take a good look at it. Go ahead and put some final details in there after you screw that top back on the birdhouse. Don't spend a whole lot of time on this. You'll forget where you're at. Put in a few more details. What the heck? You got time, right? I jest, but you can go ahead and see the long versions of this. Just subscribe. Subscribe to Studio on the Lake. Search Studio on the Lake wood carving, and you'll get the various different categories down in there. There is a long version of this that goes into a little bit more detail on how it was put together if you're interested. Last thing that you want to do when you get something like this finished is put it up somewhere or you can promptly forget about it and focus on other things. Speaking of ADD, there's an ADD guy. He has a short attention span. There it is. Screw it to a tree. Let the weather take over. And when you have a moment of clarity, you'll look over there and you'll see it and go, yeah, I like that. Hey, thanks again. This is Ben for Studio on the Lake. Like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Not necessarily in that order. Hey, thanks for your short attention span.